Besides music, any other passions or hobbies or favorite ways to waste your time you want to share?
My favorite way to waste my time is smoke big ass doobies, big ass, fat ass, big ass, stupid ass blunts.
I concur. Besides music, any other
We're chilling, to be honest.
Put some work in the pieces for that. Wide body PCs, kitty gonna get the roaring. She wanna put.
We getting this motherfucking day started. I don't know what we got in store. It's 38 degrees right now, but it's supposed to hit 60, and it's supposed to be a nice little warm night. So we should have a meet to go to. It's Friday, so you know we're gonna see what we can get into today, man. I'm pretty excited. If I see any cool cars or anything, I'm gonna show y'all. My bad, I'm fucking freezing. My bad. Oh nah, it's a Hemi.
A Hemi.
Oh, I thought that was a track. What the fuck is this? A limited X? It has the Hemi in that bit? Nah, that ass just, bro. I just spoke a SRT into existence. Hold up. Damn, boy. Look at that. Woo. Look at the wheels. The wheels are tough. Shit. Now there's a few SRTs though in this area, so y'all probably see them. And then obviously the homie has the SRT too. So we found a meet to go to. I'm gonna just do my tires. I'm not cleaning the whip like crazy. I'm literally just tire shine, applicate it on the rubber, and then be out of this. Yeah, I did hope in like an hour. She's like super clean right now, so it's not really even much to clean in the first place. She doesn't really even need tire shine, but I'll still put it on because it always makes the car look better, in my opinion. So we about to see though.
Billy truck wide, body that take off strong as shit. Henny cut, don't even bother. Already gone to shit.
We're on the whip. We're about to go to the meet. Bro, it was drizzling out and I had my car outside and I am mad. I'm so tight. We hit 10,000 miles though. I don't know if you can see. Like it's not even fucking raining anymore. You know how tight I am? He's got the beast. The little beast. Now we have a, just so y'all know, we have a downpipe on her now. Which, yeah, we did take off the stock downpipe, which means we don't have a cat anymore on the front. Which means, yeah, we do have a check engine light, but that's okay. So, anyway, I put a downpipe on it. I'm about to put a tune on her, and she's about to be chilling. She's about to be in the 300 club, and she's gonna be up there probably with like actual 240s. So, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun to work on this car and see what we can do. But I'm gonna get Anthony's preference and see if I should dry this shit off, or if that's gonna murk it. I'll see though. Yo, so we just pulled up to Ants. He just moved the SRT skirt. And then now we're about to get going. He's gonna start his whip and then we're gonna see if we gotta stop for gas. But I think we're just gonna slide straight to the meet. So we about to see though.
Keep a knock, 2 sticks. That way your dummy got put in the ditch. And my niggas say militant, they cannot switch. You was this and got put in the mold. Damn. Know nothing about me. Like I be scared to bring around the guys, cause most of them always try to talk to my bitch. And just like me, they lit. And just like me, they rich. She know that I got.
Pow, 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 pow!
Like I don't keep that K on me. You was the one, keep that bad on me. Killing my combo so fatally. Yeah. Ballin' like I am Bojack. Sometimes I think so much. Wish that I sing less.
Texas wieners, bet.
I got feelings too. Crash out like you love me. No, when I made this shit back, I know first
Made it to the meet. That shit is pretty fire though. I'm not even gonna lie. That shit's pretty tough. Got some cars out here. We got some clean shits out here. That's a C43 or some shit over there. I don't really know. I don't know shit about a damn Mercedes. This shit is tough over here, bro. Older gen Toyota Supra? Nah. Got some. Oh my god. We got the Germans here. We got a nice little GTI. That shit kind of clean. I don't really fuck with GTIs, but I've been starting to. I don't really like the rims, but I bet you a lot of people would. I like the older gen too. This shit clean right here. Damn, this shit actually super clean. I'm really not even into AMGs like that, or I mean Mercedes or AMG. This shit slid though. No bullshit. This shit fucking slid. What do we got? C63S. That shit is hard. It's some type of Audi, but I don't know what type of Audi that shit is. Fucking no cap, bro. Nah, bro. This shit is hella clean. I'm not gonna lie. The right-hand driver is crazy on that shit, bro. Has 180 on the dash too, bro. You know this shit. It's a Skyline though, right? So does that make it quicker, or?
It has 180, but that's kilometers. It's not miles.
Oh yeah.
So it's only probably
it's
like,
on the right side, bro.
It's probably only really like, I don't know, maybe 90,000.
Oh okay.
Some 80, like maybe the same miles as my car.
Oh okay, got you. Yeah, that's crazy. That shit's hella clean. The wheels are still tough on that shit too. I don't care. Them shits look great, and the back tires are kind of wide too. The wheel setup on this shit's hella clean too.
Or probably what happened is the car in Japan,
Yeah.
and then they wanted to sell the wheels separately to get more money. So they just put the cheapest wheels they could find out.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
What the fuck?
Bro, risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah, no, that's the most important part, for real. That's what. Nah, 230. 230. Yeah. Motherfuckers are bugging out, bro. No cap. Yo, let me put in the GPS first. Yeah, we dipping from the meat. Hey, hey, hey. All right, bet. We about to get up out of here. Finna go home. No cap. What we say? Hold up, what we say? Hey, hey.
Yeah.
Gotta get dizzy.
Stuck in the mix music cause I love it. 45 seconds you want to walk, who does it? Yeah, and it's way too far, gonna save that, I won't touch it.
Turning the beach in the blazing, turning the beach in the brown.
You a too far gun, could've say that, so per day, yeah, on the ground. Big dog, yeah, you mouse. Can't even rock.
Mama always knew I was a star. Sacrifices every day.
That is. I had to pick up some motherfucking photos. Yeah. Thank you for keeping us safe today, baby girl. I appreciate you and I love you. Good night, Shawty. What's up, Shawty? How's my baby girl doing today?